Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure After Effects for Chroma key and spill suppression. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition. Import the footage you want to work with by dragging it into the project panel. Select your footage in the timeline. Go to the Effects panel and search for the key light effect. Drag and drop the key light effect onto your footage. In the key light settings, click on the screen color eyedropper. Use the eyedropper tool to select the green or blue color of your Chroma key background. Adjust the screen gain slider to increase or decrease the strength of the keying. Go to the screen matte settings within the key light effect. Check the view dropdown and set it to screen matte to see the keying results. Adjust clip black and clip white sliders to refine the edges of your keyed footage. Switch back to the final result view in the key light effect. To reduce spill, go back to the Effects panel and add the Color Balance (HLS) effect. Adjust the hue to target any unwanted color spill on your subject. Modify the lightness and saturation settings if necessary to enhance your subject. You may also add the Spill Suppressor effect from the Effects panel. Adjust the spill suppression settings to further minimize any color bleed. Use the desaturation settings and spill suppressor to remove any color cast. Preview your composition to check for clean edges and minimal spill. Make any additional adjustments as needed for a polished result. Render your project once satisfied with your adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.